everybody, and welcome to Bunky's Workshop. I am Bunky, and today, as you can see, I'm bringing you an unboxing of a vacuum I just received today. This is the Bissell BigGreen Commercial vacuum. And yes, it is kind of Oric-esque, if you will. But I saw this just by accident online, and I was like, wow, I'd like to try that out, see what it's like. And then, of course, a notification popped up and said you can get this at $50 off. So I just bought it just for the fun of it, and can't go wrong. $99. Well, it was $105 total, I think, with tax. But I figured, you know, for $100, why not? Either I'm going to love it or hate it. But anyways, let's unbox it and see what it's all about. As it says, Premier Lightweight Upright Vacuum. Ergonomic, lightweight, maneuverable, powerful. It says down here, lightweight, durable construction, powerful suction. What's that? Sonic Fresh Fragrance dispenser, Kevlar drive belt, easy bag change, rubber wheels. So it says model number is B as in boy, G as in girl, U as in umbrella, 5500. BGU 5500. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 4.6 amp motor. Bag capacity is 4 quarts and has a Kevlar belt. Made in China. Well, you know. Anyways, let's open this thing up. I hope everybody out there is having a good day. Today it is beautiful, the sun is shining, it's very nice and warm, and I'm happy. I'm a wimp when it comes to cold air. So out comes some, let's see. Packaging. Well, it looks like it's all, well, okay. It's all connected. There we go. Wow, that is one thick cord. I guess that's why they said it was commercial. I'm going to save everything just in case I hate this thing and want to return it. The company this came from was called Restaurant Equipment. So, and it said commercial grade. And I'm like, how could it be commercial grade for $100? But you just never know what you'll find. So,
charging has commenced.
Wow. So this cord is separate, and it's very heavy commercial grade cord. I am quite shocked. Look at that. That is a regular like extension cord. That's some heavy cord. Or as in the UK, cable, huh? Let's undo this. Which is kind of nice, because if the cord gets damaged in some way, you can just grab yourself an extension cord, and as long as you want, short as you want. And I'm already noticing something here on the back I'll show you as we go through this machine. So bring you closer so you can see the handle. This is the handle. So you got your typical on-off switch. Nice grip. It's kind of solid. There's the where you connect your cable to. It looks like you need one screw, which I'm sure is in that piece of plastic somewhere. Wonder what they did with that screw. I'm not seeing a screw. Here's the bag it came out of. Not seeing it on the floor. We'll see as we go, huh? Wonder if it's stuck to this somehow, some way. Anyway, let's take a look underneath. It is lightweight. There's the front and the underneath. It's a wooden brush roll. And the bristles are medium stiff, but they're nice. Nice flat bottom. It's got two wheels here, two rubber wheels in the back. I don't think this would be very good on hard floor. I'm not feeling a rubber guard back here. So it'd probably kick a lot of dirt backwards. But there's the bag. I'll back up so you can see it. So it is one of those tough bags, kind of like you would see on the Oric a little bit. So it does have a HEPA bag. Oh, so you pull it up and it kicks it out. And when you put it on, it pops back in. Well, that's nice. That is easy to change a bag. On the back, it's got like a mesh type thing. I don't know what that's for. But down here, the way it connects to the base is very nice. One problem is I need to find that screw so I could put... Wonder what they did with it. Well, the bottom of the box was the instructions and the screw. So let's open this up. Oy. This is your typical, oh, excuse me, assembly instructions. Okay, so register for warranty. Here is so this is two things in one. One, this holds on the handle, and it's also the cord rewind. And they give you the tool to do it. Isn't that nice of them? So, let's put the baby on. So far, so good. Oh, and this is spring loaded, so for easy cord release. As soon as I tighten this up, I'll show it to you. There we go. Put all this stuff aside. You know what's sad? I just realized they only gave me one bag. One bag. Anyway, so there you go. The handle is on. Here you go. And it's spring loaded, so you can do a quick release. Let's put this. This is one heavy wire. Cable, cord, plug, outlet, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Watch out, Ruppy, might hit you in the nose. So basically, you can get any extension cord any length you want, and go as far as you want. Oh, that is a tight connection. Well, all right. Let me get this back here and let's see what this thing sounds like. That is one long cord. That's what she said. So it turned on, it started going by itself. Let's see if you can see that. Wow. Definitely sucked down onto the carpet. Let's see. Not the quietest vacuum in the world. Well, I must say it's very easy to use, and it's grooming the carpet very nicely. It's biting down on the carpet. But you know what we got to do? We're going to have to put you down on the floor, and we're going to have to do some pickup mess test, if you will. So give me a second, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Here is some rice. And we're going to suck it up. Got all these dog toys. Everybody's got to have their toys, even the adults and the puppies. Let's see how this does. I'll be darned. Like I say, it does groom the carpet very well. And it picked it all up. And if you notice when I got close to the camera up here, you could see the rice was jumping. So it's definitely agitating the carpet very well. So it seems to be doing a very good job. Let's just keep going. Well, all right. Give me a second. Let me bring the camera back up. Well, there you go. I can say, if anybody has a hard time pushing or pulling a vacuum, this is a breeze. It is very lightweight. It was gliding across the carpet. It does a very good job on agitation. It did a great job. Our carpet is very low pile, builder grade carpet. But it does remind me of an Auric, except this base is much wider. This is kind of like, I guess, commercial. It's a wider nozzle on the front than standard. But it picked up that rice with no problem in one sweep. It didn't hiccup at all. And I must admit, I was kind of enjoying it. This handle is very easy on your hand, and it's lightweight, and it does its job. So, wow. I must say, I'm kind of shocked. I was thinking for $99, well, for $99, that's not a bad vacuum. I mean, yeah, it's kind of Auric-esque, but what can I say? It's lightweight. This whole back part is metal, except the connections. Now they're plastic, but this plastic seems like it's kind of sturdy. It's just very easy to get around. Now it said it's very maneuverable, but it's not. You can't turn the head either way. It's back and forth. And the other thing is, this is as far. Oh, it does. If you notice, when I was over here trying to vacuum under the ottoman, it wasn't laying flat, but you have to push it. So this is just tilt back for cleaning, and it stops there, and then it clicks again, and it does lay flat. I'll be darned. All right. All right. We'll check these bristles out. Well, there's nothing wrapped on there. Wonder what the bag looks like now. Well, it's got lots of. See if I can see in there. Wow. All right. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. I just vacuumed the other day. And look at all that dog hair. And I can't show you this. If I had an extra bag, I'd cut this thing open. But that is a lot of fine dust. I'm embarrassed, but it did its job. So down here in the bottom, there's a hole here, a holder, and that's supposed to hold an air freshener, which I did not get one of those. So maybe I'll order some more bags and an air freshener, and we could do an update on it, because I think I might be using this a little bit more. It's called the Big Green Commercial Vacuum. Big Green. It's kind of like Big John, huh? And it's gray. It's plastic, of course, but what do you want? But there you go. Let me see if I can if this cord will all wind up on the back of this. That is a lot of cable. And it does. And it has a little clip. There you go. Well, people, there you go. The Bissell BigGreen Commercial Upright Vacuum. Yes, it is Auric-esque, but for $100, I'm not complaining. That was pretty easy. Well, anyways, there you go. Thank you so much for coming along. I greatly appreciate it. Hope everybody out there is doing well. Be kind to your neighbors. Got a hiccup. Excuse me. Be kind to your neighbors and your friends and family out there, especially the ones with 4 legs, all your little kitty cats and puppy dogs. They're here to love us as much as we love them. Thank all of you that have subscribed, giving me ideas and hints and thoughts and asking for things. It's kind of like turning out to be a good friendship and like a extended family. So I'll be talking to you soon. Bye for now.